Welcome back, it's me again, your diagnostic guy with so many lights hooked up because I want it really bright. So examine that. That's my fuel pressure regulator. And this car is misfiring. And the way it misfires, I already replaced 2 coils because every time I swap coils and I move coils, the misfire follows it. But there's still something else that's not questionable to me. Every time the car is running, the smooth running values is giving me something weird. So I took the injectors out just to see if my fuel injectors are leaking, because my fuel gauge is giving me the right amount, somewhere in the 50s. So I cranked it, trying to build pressure in there, and look at the injectors if they are leaking, and they are all good, not leaking injectors. But after it sits for a while, the gauge, if you look at the gauge, it's going down so fast. The specification says that within 30 minutes it should go down to 35, but with this it goes bad. I mean, it goes down so fast. The recommendation is the check valve on the fuel pump or fuel tank, maybe. I don't know where it's at, but there somewhere. But the other thing, like I said, that I saw is the fuel pressure regulator leaking. Now this could be our main reason. Huh? Why the pressure is dropping down. Or it could be 2 of them. So also this car is having a long crank to start. So for now I'm gonna recommend replacing this diaphragm and see how it is. And if it's still somewhat the same thing, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the check valve. But for sure, that's bad. By the way, this is a 96 Mercedes S420, and there you go. You need to use that cable on your scanner. There is a UOBD too, but it's best to use that because it gives you a correct information that you need. So there you go. Also, one other things that these cars are common are the throttle body with that same condition, rough idle, sometimes misfire but not misfiring, setting a code. So just look at your smooth running values, determine in there what's going on. You're supposed to see 0 something, or 0 is best, but if you see something questionable, then just try to look for the fuel or spark issue. Alright, I hope this gives you a little. I know I didn't do much, but this is I'm just in this video I'm just trying to show you what are the other symptoms that your fuel pressure regulator is bad. Alright, till next time, see ya.